إن الحمد لله وحده والصلاة والسلام على نبينا وحبيبنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه وسلم وبارك على أجمعين أما بعد أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ونادى أصحاب الجنة أصحاب النار أن قد وجدنا ما وعدنا ربنا حقا فهل وجدتم ما وعد ربكم حقا قالوا نعم فأذن مؤذن بينهم اللعنة الله على الظالمين صدق الله العظيم. Honorable Chairman, respected judges, our valuable teachers and visited guests, all the peoples and our lovely Bilali brothers and sisters. Today I am very grateful to get a chance to say and speak on the topic Paradise Day. Dear audiences, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, وَنَادَى أَصْحَابُ الْجَنَّةِ أَصْحَابَ النَّارِ أَنْ قَدْ وَجَدْنَا مَا وَعَدَنَا رَبُّنَا حَقًّا فَهَلْ وَجَدْتُمْ مَا وَعَدَ رَبُّكُمْ حَقًّا قَالُوا نَعَمْ فَأَذَّنَ مُؤَذِّنٌ بَيْنَهُمْ اللَّعْنَةُ اللَّهِ عَلَى الظَّالِمِينَ. And the companions of paradise will call out to the companions of the fire. We have already found what your Lord promised us to be true. Have you found what your Lord promised to be true? They will say, yes. Then an announcer will announce among them, the curse of Allah shall be upon the wrongdoers. This is the reward for believing in Allah on the day of resurrection. Dear brother and sister, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that the last person to enter paradise is the last believer to leave the hellfire. He was a person of so many sins that the pain and hardship in life, the punishment in the grave, and even the long standing in the akhirah did not wipe away those sins, and thus he will be among those who enter the hellfire. After he leaves the hellfire, he sees paradise, but he remembers the promise he made to Allah that he will not ask for anything else. So he remains quiet as long as Allah wills, until he can no longer contain his heart. Oh my Lord, let me go to the gate of paradise. Allah asks him, if this request is granted, will you ask for anything more? And he will say, no, I won't ask for anything else. When he reaches the gate of paradise and sees the beauty and happiness within it, he yearns to be inside, but he remembers his promise to Allah. So he remains quiet as long as Allah wills, until he can no longer contain his heart. Oh my Lord, let me enter paradise. And Allah will allow him to enter paradise and to request as much as he likes. He will do so until all his desires have been fulfilled. And Allah will say, that is for you, and 10 times more like it. Dear friends, remember, if this of the last person to enter paradise, imagine how much more Allah gives for the ones who are foremost to enter paradise. Allah says, يُبَشِّرُهُمْ رَبُّهُمْ بِرَحْمَةٍ مِّنْهُ وَرِضْوَانٍ وَجَنَّاتٍ لَهُمْ فِيهَا نَعِيمٌ مُقِيمٌ. Dear Lord gives them good tidings of mercy from Him, and approval and of guidance for them, wherein is enduring pleasure. At last, I finish my important words, and I am praying that Allah Almighty give us all the Muslim in paradise. Ameen. Wa ma tawfiqi illa billahi al-aliyyil azim. Wassalam.